Animated explainer videos are designed to, well, explain complicated concepts and products in an approachable language with memorable visual aid. They're ideal for selling SaaS products and making consumers care about software they wouldn't even know they needed in the first place. Hey, this is Sina, and today we'll see how animated videos can help you sell your software or SaaS product. Most of our clients work in the tech field and they always come to us with the same problem. They know they have an amazing piece of software that will make people's lives easier if they could only understand what it does and how to use it. Animation is the perfect vehicle to convince the general public of why they need a certain software or SaaS product. Here are just a few examples. Desktop's video starts by introducing a problem I'm sure a lot of you face: a chaotic and disorganized digital life. By beginning with a relatable pain point, the video not only immediately grabs the viewer's attention, but also helps them understand what everyday issues the product solves. In this video, we combine real-life avatars with motion graphics to create a sleek and effective explainer. We use a pastel palette with a red accent to underline the main visual focus. To keep the video simple, all unnecessary elements have been removed and the UI is stylized. Simple is a fun and entertaining video with a Rick and Morty style animation. The relatable effect is achieved with humor and visual jokes, while the simplicity is emphasized by the overly simplified interface mockup. By using a minimalistic strike-based style, we have trimmed all distractions from the easy-loaded video. This way, the viewer can remain focused on how the application works and its benefits. At the same time, the colors give the video a cool and stable vibe. Like with the other videos, Wagestream has an awesome real-life application. Their challenge was explaining the benefits to blue-collar workers in a way that is empathetic, positive, and understandable. This is why we decided to include characters to represent the buyer persona and their struggle. All the videos will be linked below. Which one did you like the best? Let us know in the comments, and I'm gonna see you next time.